All right, I'm out here at the Palms again today. I'm pretty much out here every day, checking up on the place, the project, and I want to point out a couple things that a lot of people probably do not even know. Our roofs and our big sheets of wood are actually plywood. They're not particle wood or particle board like most of the construction guys here in town use. So that's a huge benefit. Then also, our garage doors out here are 8 foot. Most of them out here are going with 7. The other thing I want to point out is these huge porches. I mean, they're gigantic, and it really makes the place look grand. Gives it more of an estate feel. Now, this is one of our other plans that we've got going on here, and what a beautiful, absolutely beautiful plan. Once it starts coming together with some drywall, I'll come out here and get some more video of it. But we also have the 12-foot ceilings. Our places actually have gigantic windows, beautiful windows. I still can't believe that that's a window that we put in this home. You're going to have a great view of the lake. From there all the way over is not going to be built on around the lake, so that's going to be a really nice view. Big master bath right there. Let's check out over here. And then we have these big lanais. I mean, we even have a plan that has a bigger lanai than this. And look how huge this thing is. We're trying to put the lanais where they basically don't butt up against the one next door, so you can have some privacy. But look how nice that's going to be. Sitting right here, you're not even going to see another home behind you. That's the only home that you'll see. So, but anyway, you guys need to come out here and check it out. Call us, let us know what you want to look at. We can get you out to the construction site and just get you out here to look around. Look at that big window there too. That's an 8-foot door, and then we got that big 3-foot window opening, and then again, here's your huge porch, front porch, and look how high it's going to go up. It's going to be very grand. You guys need to get out here and check them out, and just give us a call.